Malam Tijani Musa Issa, BSc, MIOD, FCA, attended the famous Barewa College, Zaria. He proceeded to the prestigious Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria, where he graduated with a Bachelor of Science degree in accounting in 1978 at age 22. He left for United Kingdom in 1980 to pursue his professional accountancy qualification. While in the UK, he attended Slough College of Higher Education, Wellington Street, Slough, Berkshire, London School of Accountancy, Longford Street, London and Emily Wolff College of Accountancy, Holborn, London, for accountancy lectures to prepare for the Association of Certified Chartered Accountants (ACCA) examinations. On his return to Nigeria, he joined the firm of Mutari Dangana and Co-Chartered Accountants. He subsequently attended the Ican Special Candidates Conversion course and became a member of the institute in 1998. He became a fellow of ACCA in 2003 and of Ican in 2008. To further hone his leadership skills, Malam Tijani also attended the Columbia Business School Executive Education Program, Columbia University, New York, USA, and Wharton School, University of Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, in the United States of America. The president had his practical accounting experience in different accounting firms, including Obiora Monu & Co. Chartered Accountants, Mutari Dangana & Co. Chartered Accountants, and Sadar Idris & Co. Chartered Accountants. In 2002, he set up Tijani Musa Issa & Co. Chartered Accountants, a medium-sized practice with interest in public and private sector projects, including World Bank-sponsored projects. Malam Tijani has served in the private sector all through his professional life. He worked for a year with Bank of the North Limited before proceeding to the United Kingdom in 1980. On his return, he worked in diverse companies such as SCOA Nigeria PLC, Kaduna Furniture and Carpets Company Limited, Nigerian Unity Line PLC. He was also AGM Internal Audit and subsequently Director Treasury of Intercellular Nigeria Limited from 1998 to 2001. In the last 21 years, Malam Tijani has been in active professional practice, handling very diverse and complex audit, non-audit engagements, and promoting the values of integrity, accuracy, accountability, and transparency. He is obsessed with providing quality services to clients. Malam Tijani works with many small firms as a strategy to promote capacity building amongst practitioners. He is also a member of the prestigious Institute of Directors, IOD, Nigeria. Since his election to Ican Council in 2009, the president has served the institute in various council committees, either as chairman, deputy chairman, or member. On the international scene, he holds the following positions: Member of Council, International Federation of Accountants, IFAC, the world body of professional accountancy organizations; Board Member, Pan-African Federation of Accountants, PAFA, and current President, Association of Accountancy Bodies in West Africa, ABWA. Malam Tijani has also created time to serve the public in various capacities, including Member, Governing Council, Federal University, Lafia; Member, Board of Trustees, Tertiary Education Trust Fund, TET Fund, representing Northwest Geopolitical Zone; Federal Commissioner, Tax Appeal Tribunal; Non-Executive Director, Clysat Food and Beverages Limited; and National Treasurer, Barewa Old Boys Association, BOBA, among several others. In appreciation of his invaluable services to his community and state, he was conferred with the prestigious traditional title of Dam Masanin Hadejia by the Emir of Hadejia in 2014. Malam Tijani Musa Issa is happily married with children and grandchildren. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the 58th President of Ican, Malam Tijani Musa Issa, BSc, MIOD, FCA.